The marketplace buzzed with life. Colors danced before Lila's eyes. The smells of spices and fresh produce filled the air. It was a sensory overload, but Lila loved it. She came here every week with her family's cook. That day, however, was different. Lila's gaze fell upon a young man. He was helping his father sell fruit. His name was Sam, and his smile was as bright as the sun. Their eyes met. For a fleeting moment, the world around them faded. Lila quickly looked away, her heart pounding in her chest. She knew her family would never approve of Sam. He was a fruit seller's son, and she, the daughter of one of the wealthiest merchants in the city. Yet, something about Sam intrigued her. She couldn't ignore the spark she felt. Lila found herself drawn back to the marketplace, her heart leading the way. Their encounters were brief, stolen moments amidst the crowd.
Here, try this peach. It's the juiciest one we have.
Sam would sneak her a juicy peach, his fingers brushing against hers. She would pretend to need help choosing the ripest mangoes just to hear him speak.
Do you think this one is ripe enough?
Their conversations were simple yet meaningful. They talked about their dreams, their hopes, their fears. Lila discovered a kindness in Sam's eyes that wealth could never buy. Sam found in Lila a spirit that soared beyond the confines of her social standing.
You have such a free spirit, Lila. It's like you belong to the wind.
They started meeting outside the marketplace, finding solace in hidden gardens and quiet corners of the city. Their love blossomed, a secret treasure they kept hidden from the world. Each stolen moment was a testament to their growing feelings. One day, Lila's father announced her engagement. It was to a wealthy merchant's son, a man her parents deemed suitable. Lila felt a chill run down her spine.
This can't be happening.
This was her life, planned out for her. But where did her happiness lie? The thought of a life without Sam was unbearable. But how could she choose between her heart and her family? Lila found herself torn, the weight of their secret love pressing down on her.
What am I going to do?
The joy in her clandestine meetings with Sam was now tinged with fear. The life they dreamed of seemed a million miles away. Lila knew she couldn't keep their love a secret forever. A storm was brewing, and she found herself caught in the middle. Lila's secret was discovered. You've shamed our family.
How could you do this, Lila?
You are forbidden from seeing that boy, do you understand? This is not up for debate.
They reminded her of her duty, of her responsibility to her family name.
But I love him.
Sam, upon hearing the news from a tearful Lila, felt his heart shatter. I hoped, but it seems that hope is slipping away.
Lila, we live in different worlds.
He told Lila to forget about him, to choose her family.
You should forget about me, Lila. Choose your family. It's for the best.
He convinced himself, though the words felt like poison on his tongue.
I love you enough to let you go.
Lila, however, refused to give up. For the first time in her life, she found her voice. She stood before her parents, her chin held high, her eyes shining with a newfound determination.
I love Sam. He brings joy into my life. His kindness and compassion make him 1,000 times more worthy than any wealthy suitor.
She argued that true love knows no social boundaries, that happiness cannot be found in arranged marriages and societal expectations.
True love knows no social boundaries. Happiness can't be found in arranged marriages and societal expectations.
Her parents listened, truly listened, to their daughter's plea. They saw the depth of her love, the fire in her eyes that mirrored the spirit of a young woman no longer willing to be a pawn in their game of societal chess.
Maybe we've been wrong.
Perhaps love is more important than we thought.
In the end, love conquered all. Lila and Sam's union was a testament to the power of love to bridge even the deepest divides. It was a beacon of hope, a reminder that happiness can bloom even in the most unexpected of circumstances.